Good morning students. Today we will discuss about English grammar of class 7th standard. We will discuss about nouns. What are nouns? A noun is a word, a thing, a place, person or an idea. The two main types of nouns are proper nouns and common nouns. Proper nouns are words which refer to the particular person, place and things. As for example, we can say Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. One more thing about proper noun is that proper noun always begins with capital letter. Next is common noun. Common nouns are words that refer to person, things of the same kind or general categories. We can use common nouns for general categories or same kinds, or we can say a class of same things. It is called common noun. We can say, as for example, student, teacher, girl, boy, dog, lion. These are the examples of common nouns. Proper nouns can be the names of cities, names of capitals, names of lands, names of countries, names of books, names of newspapers and name of famous buildings. We can say Eiffel Tower, the Taj Mahal. These are the examples of proper nouns. Books like Ramayana, Mahabharata or any kinds of book which has given title. These are the examples of proper nouns. It is easy for us to identify how can we recognize what is the proper noun and common noun. This is very easy. In proper noun, you always make a sense that proper nouns always written with capital letters, means names of particular person, places. We can say Mr. Rajiv Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. You can even say your name. It is written in proper noun. And common noun we can use the same thing but in a general way. We can say boy. A boy read the book. This boy will be the example of common noun. But when we say that Ramesh is reading a book, then Ramesh is a name of proper noun and name of a boy. So we can say Ramesh is a proper noun. Boy and proper noun, there is some different. Boy we can say any other boy, any type of boy. But when we named him, Ramesh is a boy, then Ramesh is a proper noun and boy is a common noun. Okay. Now we will discuss about collective nouns. Collective nouns are the nouns which are a collection of things in a group or a same group. The collective nouns are collection of things of same group. We can say a cluster of bees, a gang of thieves, a student, a class of students, a mob, a bunch of keys are the examples of collective nouns. We can say gang of robbers, a swarm of bees and a pride of lions are examples of collective nouns. Next is material noun. Material nouns are the nouns that can be used which the things are made. Material nouns are the name of substance which the things are made. As we can say the table is made of wood. the ring is made of gold, or we can say the chair is made of plastic, or we can say my earrings are made of gold. These are the examples of material noun. Gold, silver, plastic, wooden, and platinum, any other metal or non-metal, both are the examples of material noun. Next is abstract noun. Abstract nouns are the nouns which we cannot touch or see, but we feel, are the abstract nouns. In abstract nouns, we can not feel, we cannot touch the things, only feel and imagine. We can say it abstract nouns. As for examples, anger, emotion, happiness, youth are the examples of abstract nouns. Okay, sir.